Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, we got a little good news today from Larry Kudlow. But please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Y'all, we did get some good news today from Larry Kudlow. But y'all, Larry Kudlow, Steve Mnuchin, Nancy Pelosi, and President Trump, they're the only ones you need to be listening to right now. They're the only ones that matters in this fight. All of the hubbub that you hear coming out of Washington right now from the senators, don't pay them no attention. They do not want a stimulus package. They don't matter right now. Larry Kudlow, Steve Mnuchin, Nancy Pelosi, and Donald Trump, they are the key players here. They are the only ones that matters right now. Y'all, it's about 20 senators that are blowing a lot of hot air. They do not want a stimulus package at all. Y'all, please do not listen to them. It's a waste of time. They do not matter. $60 votes is all we need to get a stimulus package passed. We got 53 Republicans and 47 Democrats. Out of the 53 Republicans, 20 do not want a stimulus package at all. 10 to 12 has already said yes to a stimulus package, and these are the big ones. Lindsey Graham, the big ones, the ones that matters. We have 23 maybes. Now 23 maybes is a good thing because guess what? We only need 1 to 3 to flip and say yes, and it's passed. Larry Kudlow said when he was asked, is stimulus dead? He says, I don't think so at all. He also said when we reach a deal with the House and Pelosi, the Senate will pass it. And he was very sure of himself when he said this. He said when the House and Nancy Pelosi agrees to a package, the Senate will approve it. So y'all, this is very good news. And we need some good news right now. They have been driving us up the wall with all this back and forth stuff. But it is looking better. Again, please do not listen to no one but Nancy Pelosi, President Trump, Larry Kudlow, and Steve Mnuchin. They are the only ones that has any say in this matter. I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Watch the video that's popping up here. And just know I love you all. Ciao.